Airport English conversation. Where is the airport? I have a flight ticket. Check-in counter. Where is the check-in counter? Check-in. I want to check in my baggage. What time does this flight depart? Gate. What is the gate number? Boarding pass. Please give me my boarding pass. Passport. Please show your passport. Passport. I have my passport. How much baggage is allowed? Please check this bag. I have one carry-on bag. Security check. Where is the security check? Laptop. Do I need to take out my laptop? Do I need to take out my phone? Do I need to remove my shoes? Please wait here. Please open your bag.